Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya Kirar and I'm a full-time cabin crew. So in the last video, I promised you that I'll talk about rejections, like what were the major reasons why I got rejected when I was, giving interviews. So I'll just clear two, three things out first. That is that I started off with Air India and I only gave Air India's interview. I went for Vistara once. A little backstory before I start, okay? So I am somebody who had no knowledge of aviation, okay? Like I didn't know anything. And then for me, I just went, okay? I searched it up. I got to know that, there are walk-in interviews and everything, and you can just go, okay? You just need your documentation and all. So I quickly made my CV, and I had some experience with the college societies and everything, social activities and all. So I made the CV and all. If you want me to help you make a CV or something, I can do that as well. You can always let me know. However, let's get back to it. So I was saying that okay, I also wanted to ask if you want me to speak in Hindi also, because sometimes it's a greater, like it's a better way to connect with people. Not everybody prefers English only. So I'm very fine in talking in Hindi also. Yeah. So, okay. So I went for Air India's interview most of the time, and I also went for Vistara's interview. Backstory is, for the first time when I went to this thing, now Vistara's interview, I was so foolish. If you'll if you listen to it, you'll think that I was crazy. What I did was I kept my hair open. Okay, so my length was still here. I kept it open. I just straightened them. That, oh my god, yeah, I can go give interviews and all. And because that's so stupid, right? If you have longer hair, you have to make a bun. I didn't know that. I forgot to apply nail paint. Now I went there, and so everybody was there, and that was my first time. I was like, with the interview, I went there, and say they started looking and everything. So they said, why you don't have nail paint? Don't you know the grooming standards? And I was like, I actually don't know. But anyway, they measured my height, and they said, oh, it's not up to the requirement, which is very weird because I fall into the requirement criteria. But then again, what I feel is every airline has a different, this thing, measuring scale. I don't know, because wherever I go for interviews, it comes differently only. Even in Air India only, my height differs sometimes. So there's that. Anyway, so I got rejected there because of my height. Okay, that was the first thing that happened. Then I was like, I felt so bad, like, why? How can you reject me? It's me. Delulu is on top for me always. However, I was like, okay, I'll go in Air India, I'll try there. So, in Hoska is always the Air India interviews happen, and right. So I went there for the first time. So the first round is always GD. GD is group discussion. You get a tag, a number, and all. They announce, and 10 people have to come there. You sit in a group. One instructor comes. They give you a topic, and they give you a topic. They start talking about, like, they give you a topic, and you have to start talking about it, and that observe a lot of things. If you want me to make a video about all of that, I can do that. However, I cleared the first round, I cleared the GD, then it was BMI. Like, it was everything fine. I cleared that also. Now what happens is, you have documentation. They checked my documents. 3 rounds are done. Now the last 2 rounds are personal interview 1 and personal interview 2. So in the personal interview 1, that was my first time giving interview in my life. I've never given any interviews like for jobs and all. Okay, now I went there. I'm just sitting like this, and I'm so like, I'm so nervous. Nervousness is at, I don't know where. That lady, she looked at me, and what I had in my mind, I just thought that they'll ask me, why do you want to be a crew, this, that, and the basic questions. Now what she asked me was, Priya, what is a noble profession according to you? And I was like, out of the syllabus or what? But then I was like, no, profession is anything which you do with honesty, right? Whichever, like, wherever honesty is there, whatever you put, like, whatever you're doing and putting faith into it, that's fine for me. Then she was like, okay. So Priya, I'll see you later. If you'll get a mail from us, just know that you're selected. And I choked. I was like, what? What are you saying? That means you're rejecting me. Don't reject me. How can you reject me or whatever? Now I went back. Now what happened was, I came, and I was so disheartened. I cannot even explain it to anybody. I was just sitting, and I was like, यार क्यों करा ऐसे, मैंने क्या करा, मैंने क्या गलती करी. Then I talked to some of my friends, okay, who are crew already. So they said that, Priya, this answer is pretty basic, because what people will think is that if you're a thief, okay, if you're stealing something and you're doing it with honesty for good reasons, doesn't make it right. So I was like, yeah, I got it and all. And this video is going way too long. Will you be able to see or watch a 10 minutes video? If you can, just watch, otherwise I'll divide it into two parts. Okay, so wait. Yeah, I'm back. So the second time when I went for the interview, I went there and I was, I cleared the GD, cleared the BMI, cleared the documentation again, PI1. So the lady is looking at me and she's like, okay, have I seen you before? And she was not the lady who, who took my interviews. I was like, no, you have not seen me before, I think. And she was like, your face looks so familiar, Priya, by the way. I was like, maybe. Then she was like, you know what? You go to the washroom and do a side partition and brighten your lipstick and come back. I was like, okay, I'll go. And I went, and then she was like, sorry, Priya, I think you need to work a lot more on your makeup and all. And then I got rejected at this time. She didn't say anything, okay? She just said, okay, this is what I assumed actually. But she just looked at me and then she was like, okay, Priya, you can leave for the day. However, if there's any confirmation, I'll mail you regarding it. So I thought, I knew it's a rejection. So I came back, I cried that day. Someone was like, what? Yeah, why are you rejecting me? What have I done? Just because what the problem in this industry is, they don't tell you why they're rejecting you, okay? They'll just reject you, you're gone, and then you're contemplating everything that, why did they reject me, what happened, मैंने क्या करा था, मेरा लाइनर ठीक नहीं था, मैंने बोला सही से नहीं, या फिर I was not confident, I don't know what. So anyway, for the third time something happened, I don't remember, it was I got rejected in PI2 again because of something, I don't know, because in the last this interviews they don't tell you why they're rejecting you. Now, for the fourth time when I went for the interview, what happened was that I went there and I cleared all the rounds. Now in the PI2, the main lady was there, okay, who was the last station for your everything. So she looked at me and she was like that, I really like you, Priya, you're really confident, I really like everything about you. However, you really need to work on your makeup and hair. And I was like, honestly speaking, I don't know makeup, I don't know hair, but what I can do is I can learn it, right? So she said, okay. Then, she said, but Priya, this, that. And I just made a face like, प्लीज़ डोंट रिजेक्ट मी अगेन, आई कांट स्टैंड इट. अगर मैं उस दिन रिजेक्ट होती मैं कभी वापस नहीं जाती इंटरव्यू के लिए, ऐसा मैं सोच रही थी, पर मैं चली जाती एनीवे. सो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज आई वाज दिस एंड आई लुक्ड वेरी सैड. ओके, तो शी सेड के यू नो व्हाट प्रिया, व्हाट यू डू इज़ you go, you learn makeup, you learn hair, and then you come in the next interview. What I can promise you is that you'll not have to give all the rounds again. However, you can just come straight to me without giving any rounds, and then we can look from there. It's like, okay, that's a good thing, I am up for it. So I remember it was 9th October. Then I went again on 19th October. Still मुझे नहीं आया था, मेकअप नहीं आया था, hair obviously ऐसे 10 दिन में थोड़ी ना किसी को आ जाता है. So what I did was I asked my sister that you do my makeup because she's really good at it. I'll attach some pictures of her. So yeah, she did all my makeup and I went. Now I'm a full liar there na, that yeah, I've learned it, I did this, I did that. ऐसा नहीं था, I did try, but then again you can't be a perfectionist in a span of time or whatever you call it. So she was like, okay, it's good, you go and sit again. I was like, what यार, just say ना, just say something. Don't ऐसे किसी को confuse करके थोड़ी ना रखते हैं, ऐसे फालतू का hopes you get up and then they reject you. So I was just sitting there and everybody went away. Okay, the whole hall was empty. Only 5-10 people were there. Then I was like, what is happening? And the people who got selected, they started with the documentation. They was just, filling out the forms and all. So I went up to her and I was like, ma'am, am I selected or am I not? Because everybody has left and the people who were selected, they're giving they're signing the documents on. And she was like, oh yeah, I forgot about you people. What? Just get your documents. You all are selected. I was like, yeah, thank you. I was very happy, obviously. And then I called my family. I was like, Chachu, this happened. I am very close to my Chachu, okay? So he was the first person I told, okay, that, I got selected and this. And he was like, oh, kab se main wait kar raha tha for your call and all. So it was a pretty happy moment. And what I can tell you is that not everybody... like for me, I started off even though I didn't want it to, but when I, I came into it, I went into it, I was like, nah, yaar, I want this, I want this, I want this, how can I not get it? And when I don't get something, I want it more. So I started, and I went there, whatever. So what I want to tell you is that rejection is just a part of your life. Everybody says that. I know it's pretty basic, but it's actually like that. Don't lose hope, okay? It feels really bad, it gets really bad, but then again, just believe in yourself and just see where you can improve, right? The day you'll understand that these were the places where I was lacking, you'll know a lot of stuff. So there's that. I'll see you all later. I'm gonna go because this video is really, really, really long. However, if you all are fine with this much long videos, then I'm gonna make in the like I'm gonna make the videos like this only. But I'm gonna go for now. I'll see you all later. Bye bye. Take care. See you. Love you. Bye.